Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solve a interesting Chinese math Olympiad question, which is 4 to the power a plus 4 to the power a is equal to 100. A is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math problem or math solution or question, which is 4 to the power a plus 4 to the power a is equal to 100. Now at this moment you can say here is 4 to the power a is common. So if I take 4 to the power a is common, this divide this is 1, plus this divide this is 1, is equal to 100. Then this is 4 to the power a, and this 1 plus 1, this is 2, is equal to 100. Now at this moment I divide both sides by 2. So this is 4 to the power a times 2, then divide by 2 is equal to 100, divide by 2. At this moment you can say these two cancel. This is 4 to the power a is equal to this 100 divided 2, this is 50. So we are find out a nice exponential equation. This is 4 to the power a is equal to 50. Now I use both side natural log. So log 4 to the power a is equal to log 50. I use both side natural log. Then we know that log a to the power r, which is r log a, I apply this math formula here, so it will be a log 4 is equal to log 50. Then I divide both sides by log 4, so it will be a log 4 divide log 4 is equal to log 50 divide log 4. I divide both sides by log 4. Then this is log 4, this is log 4. We will find out a is equal to log 50 over log 4. This is our final answer. But if I simplify this expression, you can say this is log 50. This log 50, it will be log 2 times 25. 2 times 25, this is 50, over this log 4. Then at this moment we know that log a b, which is log a plus log b, if I apply this math formula here, so this expression it will be a is equal to log 2 plus this is log 25, then over log 4. Now if I separate this fraction, we will find out which is a is equal to log 2 over log 4 plus log 25 over log 4. Now here a is equal to log 2, and we know that log 4 it will be log 2 to the power 2 plus log 25, this is log 5 to the power 2 over log 4, it will be log 2 to the power 2. Then you can say this expression it will be a is equal to these two move on in front, so it will be log 2 over 2 log 2 plus this is 2 log 5, this exponent move on in front, and this is 2 log 2. Now at this moment you can say this log to cancel, this is 1, this 2 is cancelled. We will find out which is a is equal to 1 over 2, and this is log 5 over log 2. Now at this moment you can say this a is equal to 1 over 2 plus this is log 5 base 2. Because of that, we know that log a over log b, which is log a base b. I apply this math formula here. So this is our final answer in this exponential maths Olympiad question. Let's check out, let's verify our question, which is 4 to the power a plus 4 to the power a is equal to 100. This is our question. But remember that a is equal to half plus log 5 base 2 plus 4 to the power half plus log 5 base 2 is equal to 100. Then this is 4 to the power half, this is 4 to the power this. So if I separate this case, first of all you can say this 4, it will be 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2, this is 4. And I take this exponent again here, half plus log 5 base 2. And here same case 2 to the power 2. And this exponent half plus log 5 base 2. Then this is 100. Now at this moment it will be 2 to the power 2 times half. I separate this case, and 2 to the power, this is this 2 times this, it will be 2 log 5 base 2 plus, and this is 2 to the power 2 times half, I mean this 2 times half, plus this 2 times this, it will be 2 log 5 base 2 is equal to 100. Then this to cancel, it will be 2 times, and this is 2 to the power, this is log 5 to the power 2, this will move on exponent here, so it will be 5 to the power 2, and this base is 2 plus, and here is same case, this to cancel, it will be 2 to the power 1, it will be 2, here is also 1, and times, I apply this math formula, a to the power n plus m, which is a to the power n times a to the power m, it will be 2 to the power log 5, this is 2, and this will move on exponent, it will be 2 is equal to 100. Then this is 2 times 2 to the power log 5 to the power 2, this is 25, this is 2, plus it will be 2 times 2 to the power log 25, and this is 2 is equal to 100. Now at this moment this is 2 times this and this both are same, so it will be 25 according to natural log formula, plus it will be 2 times 25, this and this same, it will be 25 is equal to 100. Then at this moment this 25 times 2, this is 50, plus 50, this is 100, so 50 plus 50, this is 100, so 100 is equal to 100. So left hand side and right hand side, both side is equal. Thank you all. If you enjoy this math problem, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care everyone.